we are going to learn about vision defects in physics. Why vision defects can get? What are the vision defects? We'll see clearly now. See, first, why we can get the vision defects. For example, see, if I want to read 25 centimeter distance objects, my focal length has to be 2.27 centimeters. If I want to see far, my focal length has to be 2.5 centimeters. Who will change this one? Ciliary muscles can change. If ciliary muscle not changes, we can get the vision defects. If ciliary muscle not work, we can get this type of vision defects. So we'll see now. First we'll go for the myopia. See, for example, you want to see near object. Your focal length should be 2.27, then only you can see. If not 2.27, you can't able to see near object. For example, one more person is there. That person can't see far because that person maximum focal length is not 2.5, less than 2.5, so he can't see. Okay. Now see myopia. Myopia means 4 steps are there to complete myopia. One is definition. How can you define this? Myopia, the defect who can see near objects clearly but not far objects. When you see far, it can't appear. See here, in the diagram, this one lens, this is L is the least distance 25 centimeters, M is the far point. Up to that far, the image forms on retina, so they can able to see. This person far point, this one only. My far point is infinity, I can see infinity, but this fellow can't see up to M only. M is the far point. After M, he can't see. From M only, the image forms on retina. After M, if I keep an object, that not forms on retina. This is the difference. Now, reason why it happens, because the eyeball becomes too longer. Eyeball becomes too longer. And also, the maximum focal length is less than 2.5. Too short. It is 2.4 or 2.35 or 2.45, like that. Not 2.5. So the image forms there only. For example, 2.5 means here we go. So look at this diagram. Now see, the reason diagram very important. The reason diagram. When object is at infinity, the rays are parallel, will fall and lens and meet in front of the retina. This is the retina. Retina 2.5 centimeters, but below 2.3, 2.4, like that it will meet. So they will form here image. If that image forms on retina, we can able to see. So the image forms in front of the retina because less than 2.5 focal length. Because the eyeball is too longer. Next, correction. How can we correct this one? Third point, correction, very simple. By using biconcave lens or concave lens. Double concave lens. All are same. Concave lens. The next one, correction ray diagram. Most important for every exam they are asking. See correction diagram. So, now object is at infinity. So, this yellow is infinity coming, object is at infinity. I arrange a concave lens here. When these rays falls on concave lens and diverges. So, when I extend back, here image will form. Infinity object, image will form here only. So, between M and L, that person can see. Myopia person can see between M and L. So, image forms here. So, this can see by this person, that image finally forms here. Most important correction, once again draw 10 times you have to draw to learn correction. Now look at this. For example, some myopia persons are there. In your class, everybody, maximum all members has myopia only. short sight we call as, negative sight we call as. So for all members, can we use the same lens? No. We have to use different lens for different persons. Even myopia, all has myopia, even we have to use different focal length lens. How? How can we find the focal length of a particular person? One Priya, she unable to read after 1 meter. Kirti, she can't read after 2 meters. Raju, she can't read after 3 meters. So different persons. So we'll see now. How can we find the focal length of a particular person? See, the focal length of a myopic person. So where should I keep the object at infinity? Where the image up to E can form, up to M, if it forms, that person can see. So this is I am taking as a D, capital D. This is minus, this is also minus. You know already sign convention previously we discussed that. So focal length we have to find. The lens formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. See, 1 by f is equals to v means length distance minus d minus u means minus infinity. So 1 by infinity means 0. So no need this term again. So simply 1 by f is equals to 1 by minus d. Then reciprocal strength change f is equals to minus d. That means the focal length is equal to the distance. How much distance can see? For example, I can see up to 1 meter only. So 1 meter focal length lens I have to use. So this is how much distance can see perfect. That much focal length we have to use for myopic person. Very, 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 very important. So next, see, doctor's prescription, they are saying your sight is 1.5, your sight is 2.2. What is that 2.2, 1.5? What is that sight? That is the power of your lens. Power of your lens. See, power of lens, how can we find? We can find very easily power of lens. Power of lens. Power of lens I can find very easily. Yes, the formula P, power P is equals to 1 by F should be in meters. P equal to 100 by F in centimeters. Power means the reciprocal of focal length. The reciprocal of focal length is called power. For any lens. So, now for example, doctor given to me 2D power lens. 2D. Diopter is the unit for the power. So 2D lens they given. How much distance can I see? See here. Power P is equals to already 100 by F. So power given 2. This is minus only. Minus 2 is equals to 100 by F. You know, F is equals to what we got? 100 by minus 2. That F is equals to minus 50 centimeters. So that person can see 50 centimeter distance clearly. You can calculate your brother, your sister, everybody. You have to know power. How much power they are using. Is it negative or positive? You should know. This is negative only. Myopia is negative. We'll see now positive also. Hypermetropia will see. Yes. Very simple. Now hypermetropia. Hypermetropia also same 4 steps. Define, reason, correction, focal length. Very simple way. Definition same as it is. The person who can see far objects clearly but not near objects. So see the diagram if I see. So here is the L is the least distance you know already. This is H is the near point. How much near you can see perfect. It is the near point. So next after this H you can see. Infinity you can see. But between H and you can't see here. This is 25 centimeters you already. What is the reason? Reason, the eyeball eyeball is too short. And also the minimum focal length actually 2.27 will be, but for this person more than 2.27, 2.3 like that. Maximum focal length okay, 2.5 only, but minimum focal length is more than 2.27 centimeters. See, when I kept at 25 centimeters near, the image forms beyond the retina. Beyond the retina. There in front of the retina. Very, very important, this difference. In the next, how can we correct this one? By using convex lens. Now, correction. Correction we know already. Convex lens we should use. Here object is 25 near distance I am keeping. Now this rays will go like this. Here convex lens. It can form the image at more distance. That means this is a virtual image can form. So after etching this image can form. After etching, parallel or after etching can form. That image you can see because far distance you can see image forms on retina. Very simple. But correction is most important. Once again, stop the video and draw 10 times. Next, how can we find the focal length? Little bit difficulty here. In the exam, they are asking compulsory question. Focal length. Focal length. Where should I keep the objective? Objective distance V is equals to minus 25 centimeters. Image distance V is equals to up to here. After this image has to form. So minus V I am taking. Focal length F cost. Formula lens formula 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by E. Then 1 by F is equals to 1 by minus D minus 1 by minus 25. This is minus 1 by D. This is a plus 1 by 25. LCM you know already minus D 25D. LCM 25D. Here minus 25, here plus D. So 1 by F is equals to, I can rewrite D minus 25 by 25D. If I reciprocal, if I do the reciprocals, F is equals to 25D by D minus 25. This is the focal length. In this way, D is the distance, the minimum distance. So you have to substitute this distance always in centimeters only. Don't keep in meters. So you can do so many problems here. So this is the hypermetropy of vision defects. Now next, presbyopia is there. Okay, no need diagrams. Simply will go on 2 minutes. Presbyopia means that vision defects will come with the age. If the old persons are there, for them, just presbyopia will come. How can we? Presbyopia means what, sir? They can't see near, they can't see far. Both they can't see. They can see a particular distance. For example, they are watching at 10 meters. Only 10 meter distance objects only he can see perfect. After 10 meters he can't see, below 10 meters he can't see. For them, what is the reason? The reason is 2 reasons. One is diminishing the power of eyelids, and also weakening of ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles will weaken when you see anything very near. If you sit very close to the TV, the ciliary muscles weaken. So weakening of ciliary muscles and diminishing power of eyelids. Correction. How can we correct this one? By using bifocal lens. That means it is prepared with the convex and concave. That is called bifocal lens. So it is very, very important. These are the vision defects given in the examination. I hope you understood. Again, just watch it and write and draw. Very, very important. Ray diagram. These diagrams, if you unable to draw, you can't get it anything. Draw neatly, and we'll discuss what are the questions are asking in the examination. We'll discuss in next video. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best.